Hello everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking on the link. This is a pathetic Poundland haul, but I thought I'd film it because I wanted to show you some of the things I got. It's a bit warm. I'm wearing a long sleeve and it's a bit warm. So there's going to be some stuff from Poundland and two things from Amazon because I wanted to decorate my house and make it look a bit more autumnal before Christmas, because Christmas is where I go. Woo-hoo-hoo, cuckoo. So if you enjoy this content, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow, very difficult in these days. I have a Poundland haul playlist, I think, a B&M playlist and all those things. So let me show you what I got from Poundland. This bag, which it says time to chill. And then let's start with paper. I bought the tissue paper, which is a safari assortment, and I thought I'll use this for birthday presents and things like that. You know, where you buy your gift bags and you're just, you know, you want them to look a bit nicer. It's nice to have tissue paper, and you don't see like leopard print and different animal print that often, so I thought this would be a nice addition. I got my favorite biscuits. I love eating these. These are the Lotus Biscoff. I got a big size. I usually have two for breakfast. You know, you need to dunk these in coffee. Oh, so nice, so yummy. So I got those. Then, trigger warning, Christmas purchase. I saw these, what are these called? Knocks? What are they called? Gonk. No, knocks. I got this gonk because I have two other grumpy men, so I decided to buy another one, and this one has legs so you can sit on, like, well, not on the sofa, but I don't know, can you see it? Maybe it would look cute. I might go and get another one, not sure, but because I think when you see something at Poundland, you need to get it then. So I got this one. It's got these sparkly bits. I'm colorblind, so I don't know exactly what color this is, but I thought it'll match. It'll be fine, so don't worry. I got that. Then I purchased some snacks. So I got some snacking almonds. Now, if you've never tried this, try this. This is what they usually serve in bars in Crete. So you boil water and you put these in it, so you boil the almonds a bit and then you add sea salt. This is an amazing snack when you're having alcohol and stuff. I just like eating this in general. Really good, really tasty. Try that tip from me. So I got some almonds, and I also got some lemon sherbet because I like lemon and I like these lollies, and sometimes you just want a little bit of sweetness because you don't want to have like chocolate. So I'm going to put this in a jar and I'm just going to put it somewhere in my living room, just when people are here. Like, well, I don't get lots of visitors, but when I do have a visitor, it would be nice. And then when I was in Germany, I used to love getting these. You can find these at Lidl and Poundland. These are, I don't know if they're called Knoppers. Anyway, they're like wafers, but they have a little bit of chocolate, a little bit of almond, a little bit of biscuit. They're really yummy. If you haven't tried these, if you have kids and you want to give them like a little snack, try these. These are really yummy. So I got some of those. When I went to Greece, I bought some reusable straws for my sister, and I decided to buy a few more from Poundland. They're really good. If you make a cold drink and you use this straw, it's a different experience. The straw's so cold and it's really nice. These come, you get two straight ones and then two that bend, and it also comes with a little brush, so you can clean them. So that's great. And for £1, then you can't go wrong. They're eco-friendly, so if you're trying to, you know, be more sustainable and stuff like that, try these out. They're really nice. Now, that was my little Poundland haul. As I said, pathetic. Let me show you the two things I got from Amazon. And if you want to see a living room tour, let me know. I shall do that. So this isn't from Poundland, but on my way to Poundland, I went into this healthy nice, you know, healthy snacks place. And I just love anything that has rose scents, rose food, any kind of rose. So I found rose coffee, not coffee, rose tea. So I bought this and I will definitely enjoy having this. This is sensual comforting. So can't go wrong with that. So I got the rose. Now, my two Amazon things. I bought a maple leaf string fairy lights. So the maple leaves are here and it's quite long. I'm not going to open it here, but it comes with its little lights as well. So you see, you get the maple leaf and then you get the little light. So I'm going to put this on one of my tables and just decorate it. And I also I wanted to get, because my house is lots of white and pinks, I'm not going to put different colors, but I just wanted to get a few pumpkins. So I got some white ones. I didn't like the stem, but I thought, that's fine. So they have, I don't have black in my house, but yeah, I can use this. So this is what it looks like up close. It's quite small, very cute. I'm just going to decorate, put some on like my tables and stuff. And I thought this would be really cool. Just give it a little bit of an autumnal vibe before I go all full on Christmas. I usually decorate for Christmas at around like end of November because I just put so much effort in and I need to keep it. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and click on the notifications bell. The subscription is, you just click on the subscribe button. So thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Now I need to come close and stop filming.